Earth. Shape of the Earth. Our planet Earth is round like an orange. However, it is not a perfect round. It is spherical in shape. It is a little flat at the top and the bottom and has a bulge in the middle. In olden days, people used to believe that the earth was flat. They feared that they would fall off the earth's edge if they traveled too far. Magellan's journey proved that the earth was round. Later, astronauts started going to space and confirmed that the earth is round. Thank you.